Yes, navigation is formalities asking. Click on down arrow standard. Let's do now if I open this rule. Okay, content is one rule. Case navigation is a label of it. If I open this one, see it is opening a navigation rule. Navigation rule. It is opening and you can define what menu items you can show. You can add below addable. You can do everything. You understand what I'm trying to say. Menu items, you can add it from here a number of items. Those items will be shown like this. On click of it, it will be showing like this. You can add a label here. Whatever the label you want, you can add the label if you want. Let us do that thing now. Suppose this one is. Let me add the symbol 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. Now I need to submit this one also. I need to submit this one. I have configured here right. I'm clicking on submit and just saving it. Now you can go to this one on assistance request. You can see the button. On click of this button, you're getting 1, 2, 3. I have just given a random value similar to that. You can use whatever the menu items you can display. You understand right? And again, if I selected the first item, okay, if suppose I have selected first item. If suppose what is happening here on this menu, if you see, if I click on actions, you are getting the items. If you click on refresh what is happening, the case is getting refreshed right. Again on click of refresh. You have to specify something, correct? Am I correct? Click of refresh. You have to configure something. Suppose what I'm trying to say is, first, one is refresh. Let's think this text is a refresh. Now again on click of refresh, something has to be done. So again you have an actions here. You go to actions on click. It's actually by default click. Okay, there is no option to edit this one on click. What has to happen? It has to refresh now. Click on OK save. Go to your this thing. Try to create. Open that section. But first one is refreshed. Now, if you click on refresh, see the screen is getting rendered, if you observe closely, because it's already getting a refreshing data. So you cannot observe that thing, I think because it is getting refreshed actually in the background. Okay, you got it what I'm trying to. Yeah, I can see that in the first click it's getting. But again pulling a refresher data right, so I think it is not getting refreshed okay. But the basic thing you have to concentrate is like, this is how you have to configure everything for refresh. You are doing refresh for some other action. You have to customize your action. Suppose, if you are doing some managed notifications or something you are doing, what is happening on click of this? Okay, you have to concentrate on that one. You have to see, on click of that. You are opening one model window right, some window is getting popped up. So similarly, suppose this is something called managed notification. Let's use you. This is not do. This is some manage notifications. Okay, no, on click of it, they are displaying some. They are displaying some pop-up window. Let's see how actually they have to display. That is a local action. Not replace current some model window. If you added replace current, okay, what will happen? If you add replace current, it will replace the current screen. Okay, let's see the difference. Okay, save it, save it. My section of the. On click of button see you're getting managed notification. On click of this it has to open again a model window. But what I am thinking, right, once there is a model window, it will not open a model window on a model window. See, this is a model window. This is some window we are showing. But as per my experience that Pega will not open a model window on top of one model window, I think it will throw an error if you click on this one. It will not get. Oh, I think it was actually updated. Okay, latest versions. I think it is opening, but previously it actually used. It will not use to be opened. Okay, on top of one model window. It. Actually you will not get a model window old versions, but here you are getting. That's good. Only you got it right. What? How? We are displaying a model window. Any questions? How actually these questions, and all coming in the sense, oh, this is some existing one we have added here, so that's where it is coming. Okay, some more TV, one we have added here, add question. We have added right, so we are getting some questionnaire, a screen. Any questions now? Let's see what is a replace current. Okay, we have seen model dialog. What is a replace current? Replace current will replace the current screen. Click on OK, see, this is showing us a model window, right, it is not replacing the background screen. Background screen is there. You can see new assistance request and all. It is not actually replacing. Now, if you click on this button and manage notifications, see it is replacing that window. You can understand clearly, read the difference. Model window and replace current. Any questions, guys? Yeah, what I am trying to say is like you have two options here. One thing is like replace current and one thing is like model window. Okay, what we are doing here, on click of a button, let me close this issue, see, on click of a button we are performing one action. What action we are performing? We are opening up a menu item. You can go to actions on click. We are doing some menu item we are opening. If you expand this menu item, we have content here. Content is a required field, so some content we have added which is present on over TV, this one. I have added this content rule. You can open this rule from this cross area. We create our own content. Yeah, we can do. We can create our own content. You just need to give the name here, some random name. Click on this crosshair icon. It is creating a new rule. See, it will create new navigation record. Navigation record is one rule type similar to sections, similar to data transform. So we are creating right. So similarly, it will create one rule type called navigation record. Click on create and open. It will create